Oppo has an event planned on 10th of next month to launch its new Reno series of smartphones. Earlier reports suggested that the new Reno smartphones are said to be coming in two variants, one with a Snapdragon 855 chipset and another Reno phone with a Snapdragon 710 chipset. Also, there happens to be a 5G variant. Most of the prominent specifications of these devices have already been surfaced online. Regardless, now we might have a clear preview of the first case render, and a leaked hands-on video of the Oppo Reno smartphone has been previewed. Renders of the Reno smartphone showcases a cutout for pop-up selfie camera, but with a different approach. But instead of the selfie camera popping right up vertically, it appears to be raised up in an inclined manner, only revealing the front-facing camera instead of the whole unit. Further, the unit beholds the speaker grille, as well as the microphone on the top, thus achieving the alleged full-screen display, without any notch or any bezel for that matter. The case renders further reveal dual cameras on the back, which suggests us that it might be the Oppo Reno with Snapdragon 710 processor, since the Snapdragon 855 variant is already rumored to be coming with triple rear cameras, with the primary camera being a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor. Considering the case render, we can expect the same pop-up selfie camera for the Snapdragon 855 Reno phone, and the 5G variant as well. These Reno phones are said to featuring the company's 10x lossless zoom technology, which had been showcased at MWC this year. And also, the new pop-up selfie camera unit with speaker grille makes the Reno phone achieve a screen-to-body ratio of 93.1% as well. Moreover, both the variants are said to be featuring individual cooling technologies for handling enhanced gaming. Let me know in the comments below.